Today we're coming and waving the flashlights in the Crystalary. Special thanks to Nancy for letting us see all the cool stuff. Hello. First find some stellanite with what appears to be maybe calcite in there. So this calcite you have listed, it must be coated in halite opal.
Yeah, that's
pretty
really cool.
Yeah, these elmwood blends are really neat. It's such a pretty color. And some of this calcite up here is really red too.
Yeah, those pop nice.
These are awesome, and I think this one has some in it. What is this guy? That looks funky.
I think it's unidentified.
Oh,
yeah, that's just
mystery. I also found the atomite section. Some cool ones here. And a full crystal. Right now I'm checking out this Detroit City stuff with the fluorite and sphalerite. Yeah, it's got a lot of sphalerite on there that's nice. Very yellow.
That's what we have left, and from what I understand, they were asking.
All this fluorite. Some really pretty pieces from the Diana Maria. Some Ohio fluorite.
I would offer our parking spot.
Halite. My favorite mystery so far, some galena, but it has something that's yellow on the outside. You can pick out the most petroleum quartz here.
Ooh, we have diamond quartz. It's super fun.
What'd you find?
It's just pretty. I just like it when they look snowy.
What is it? It's
Jacob's pocket is the impossible
oops.
pocket.
Here's long wave. It is
Cool. So you've
pinky.
clearly a variety.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, Milky Way. That's my big one.
Yeah, it's not.
Neat.
Quite the selection.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Thank you.
We found what's labeled as some aquamarine. Definitely glowing.
Yep.
That's long wave. Let's see what it does under medium. Oops,
A little
sorry.
whiter.
Yeah.
Want to put it in the box? And...
Yeah. Found all of these selenites. Are these the spillway?
Mm-hmm.
Canada. Some cool brookite, yellow under long wave. Well, here we are back at the house again. And this is the stuff that I got from the Crystalary on Delta Avenue. So that was fun, checking out the stuff in there. I needed to pad out my non-fluorescent collection that I post on the weekends. So here's some stuff like a nice piece of what they call sardonyx, I believe, or banded agate, which is cool. And in the petroleum quartz, they had this cool piece that was very gem shaped, but doesn't have anything in fluorescence inside it, no petroleum in there. And Nancy was kind enough to throw in this highlight, which is of course green. But the real fun thing is I found this galena with this coating on it. I'm not sure what it is yet, but it's nice and heavy, and it is real fun fluorescent in long wave and medium wave, primarily long wave. Check it out. So what's going on with that guy? It's pretty cool though. A little orange there. So I bought that one. And of course, the halite. Pretty good haul. Oh, phosphorescence no less. Haha, look at this.
Yeah, I was able to get a few more of them cabinets and
Found some
Nice.
cloud calcite. It's glowing pretty neat. So here we are at Perry's, taking a look at the special case with some halite opal and also, what do we see, fluorapatite in there, and some of the, thank you, chalcedony. I saw an Australian guy say that once. Okay,
Yeah,
found the
here's-
coolest thing in shortwave.
Here's some of that.
Some calcite from Mexico,
Oh,
probably
fine.
halite.
Gorgeous.
So light.
Nice.
It's so light.
Wow, that's a nice one. Looks like Greenland.
Beautiful.
Yep. Yeah, there's all the tags should be with them there.
Look
too.
at this tag.
Cool.
Love that.
Franklin Minerals. Go, man, go.
Oh, that's Franklin.
Yeah, that Willemite's really neat.
Yeah.
Very bright.
You're right.
Very bright.
Yeah.
Here we
Glauco
go.
chlorite.
Bam. Oh, that's so good.
In
Blown
Willemite with Hardystonite.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Franklin, New Jersey.
Gemmy Willemite.
Perry, could we turn the lights off to see if there's an
Yeah.
afterglow?
Yep.
All right. Check it out. Right? We got a bunch of the super cool midwave stuff. I'm eyeballing this guy, too. Look at that.
Oh, that's super bright.
Right? And then there's some chunks coming off here that's magenta. Super cool. Midwave for the win. Midwave mystery we've got here. Some of this stuff that's showing up with the emerald from Brazil. Purple and yellow. Check out the $5 box. Got some midwave calcite and something yellow. Chalcedony. So Perry showed us a mystery box of fluorescent minerals, location unknown, and with the midwave, found some really cool stuff. And picked out these guys. Some mango and calcite, of course, and some varying degrees of aragonite.
I know.
Picking out the best
I know
ones.
a couple of dealers, but I can't buy wholesale from them.
So it's obviously a couple different types of calcite. It's purpley orange, right?
Okay.
Okay, so that's long wave. Even the calcite there is a little red.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
But now we go under medium
Ooh.
and purple at the top, plus yellow, and then shortwave. It just lights up that original calcite. So that's pretty red. Okay, this is the spoils from our trip up north with Alina to Perry's Pebbles. So what do we got here? I managed to find, waving the lights around, this fluorite, which is listed from Moscana Mine in Spain. We've got a barite from Linwood Mine, Buffalo, Scott County, Iowa. We have a calcite from Sweetwater Mine, which is pretty interesting, Missouri, looking red. We have Angel Wing calcite from Chihuahua, Mexico. This one, this one, this one, this one, and this one are unknown origin, unknown what they are, but they appear to be caliche. And then we have over here some calcite that was called cloud calcite, location unknown. Let's start off with long wave, see what they look like. So starting off with this really cool piece of what's listed as fluorite, it's kind of like purpley and orange, which is neat. Barite's not always fluorescent, as we know, and this one happens to be fluorescent and also a bit phosphorescent in long wave. Red from Sweetwater. Angel Wing is white and has some of that halite. And then the caliche showing up here, a green and orange. I got some blue in the center of that one. A little bit of blue on top, and then of course the cloud calcite. So that's pretty cool. I think that some of the caliche is phosphorescent and the barite. Now we're moving on to midwave. So midwave, a lot more prominent on the calcite, cloud calcite. These look amazing because they have some either opal or, I'm guessing opal in there, halite opal. Orange is caliche, blue I'm not sure, hydrozincite maybe. Oof. Anyway, green and blue. Angel Wing really popping out there with the, oh, it's better like this, popping out with that halite. Beautiful looking calcite from Sweetwater. Barite looking great. very phosphorescent with medium wave, and then this beautiful piece. So we got that calcite on top and the fluorite and the 2-color calcite on the side. Very impressive. Little phosphorescent. And finally, shortwave. Shortwave kind of got the middle showing up there on the cloud calcites. A lot of halite, a little bit of caliche. Not much from the Sweetwater. Barite still fluorescent, but not as much. And pretty low, pretty bland on the old fluorite and calcite from Spain. And that is what we managed to find waving our lights around in Perry's Pebbles.